Local news for Friday the 5th of October. Residents across Wairarapa are now able to dispose of electronic waste free of charge at transfer stations. From Monday the 1st of October, the Masterton, Carterton and Martinborough transfer stations have begun accepting electronic waste at no cost. Residents can dispose of unwanted electronic goods such as computers, car batteries, DVD and CD players, routers, household whiteware and kitchen appliances. That includes items such as stoves and dishwashers, as well as ovens and vacuum cleaners. And the first Wairarapa Business Awards were held last night in front of an enthusiastic audience at the Copthorne Hotel, Solway Park. Winners included the likes of Eastwood Motor Group, Greytown's Country Village Heaven, and the Innovation and Supreme Awards both went to Transit Coach Lines. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush will head to Greymouth this weekend as equal favourites in the 7th round of the Heartland Rugby Championship. A win could see them well in the hunt for a Meads Cup semi-final. West Coast, however, could be facing a fine, loss of points or both for allegedly playing an illegal player. For Wairarapa Local News, I'm Brent Gare.